Hello everyone, my name is Melisa Spolini, interior designer and founder of interiordesignstogo.com. I am here to make a big announcement, but first I want to tell you why we're making that a big announcement. For many years we've actually been hired by many other companies such as real estate brokerages, property management companies, real estate agents, and clients getting ready to get their homes sold. We just made the whole process much easier, and I am so excited to now introduce to you the Sell My Home kit that we have put together. Should we get started with looking at what comes in there? Let's do it. Okay, so to start off, you'll see that at the very top of your kit, you will find beautifully wrapped your marketing kit. So this is very special. We have put this together ourselves because in the past we have noticed homeowners writing on scratch paper notes of features of their home they want to stand out. But now we have taken care of this for you. You're welcome. This is what this looks like. So there's a welcome letter. And then you will find these awesome feature cards. So these are marketing cards for your home. We call them Callout marketing cards. And what you're gonna do is there's 100 of these in here. You're gonna go ahead and go through them and see which ones apply to your home to try and get as many features as we can to stand out. So there's these. And you have the option of using the sticky pads to put those up throughout your home, or you also have little mini easels that we are including as well too. So these might be easier for areas like the kitchen, and where these might be easier for flat surfaces like walls and other, stainless steel appliances, and etc. So that's what comes in your marketing kit to start out, and we were so thoughtful. We've included a little mini level for you guys, so we want to make sure everything looks fabulous. So there you go. Let me show you what else comes in this kit. Okay, so to start out, we have a nice accessory centerpiece it can be used for a table or even a restroom. I like to use this in a master bathroom, and I'll show you later how if you stick around. Let's put that here. And we have some candles. These are actually ready to go, no batteries needed. So I like to put one of these inside of this decoration and use it for a secondary bathroom. And then the other 3 can be used elsewhere. Now we have this as a little bit of pop of color for the kitchen. We have some accent pillows. These can be used for many different areas, such as living rooms, bedrooms. These can be used in utility rooms or even fireplaces. Fireplaces are actually my favorite place of how to use this. Now we have 3 placemats, and I'll show you later how these are used. 3 charger plates. And there's 3 plates that go with the charger plates as well. So we've actually taken the time to place things ready for you. We've removed a lot of tags, and as you can see, we have actually prepped each one of these napkins that you will be receiving. So they are ready to go. You don't have to worry about knowing how to do this. You will get 3 of these in here, and we will show you later how it all comes together. Here's a secondary bathroom feature. That's an accessory we use to stage other bathrooms, and here is a towel for your kitchen. You will see several towels that will be in here, and we can play around with these and use them as needed. And again, I'll show you later how these are placed. You will see some wine glasses here. There's 3 of these. More towels. And we're including here some soap dispensers of 2 different sizes. Typically, the bigger ones will go in the master bedroom and the smaller ones will go in secondary bathrooms. So master bathrooms and secondary bathrooms is where these go. We have some additional towels that you will see in here. And these also come rolled. So in the case that you just want these to be placed this way in your bathroom, they're ready to go. We've done the work for you. And a throw blanket, which is great to pair with the throw pillows. Okay, so there you go. There's everything that's in the box. So hopefully this helps. And we actually have given a lot of thought to what goes with a lot of the homes. So as you will see, a lot of these items are very neutral in tones that are often used in people's homes. So we will use this universally pretty much on homes that are 2 bathroom, 3 bathroom, 4 bathroom, even 5 bathrooms. So there are so many little tricks to changing it up a little bit and making it work. So this should be pretty good to use in probably the majority of your homes. So if you stick around, I will show you how I place all these items in this home specifically. Alright, so great news, you've sold your home. So now you can go ahead and simply remove these and they should come right up. Okay, so you have seen that I have placed all 3 of these areas here, and like I mentioned, these are ready to go. They're prepped for you, so you don't have to worry about refolding anything, and there you go. Okay, so we're in one of the secondary bathrooms, and typically we ask the clients to remove all items from the countertops. That way we can place a fresh set of items here, unless there's something that you really want to work with, and that's great. Here we are in the master bathroom. This is a very important area because people will spend a lot of time here and you want to make sure that it looks very inviting. This is the reason why we use some of the best accessories for the master bathroom. You will notice some of these towels are actually larger than the towels in the secondary bathrooms, as well as the soap dispensers. We use the larger ones in the master bath for that reason. So we want to make sure and make it as exciting and inviting as possible to spend time here, and this will help sell your home. Okay, so here we are in the living room. So we always have to look around and adjust to our environment. If the home is being lived in and not vacant, you may have sofas, and those sofas oftentimes have pillows that have been used a lot and they're not in the best of shape. So we will go ahead and remove those typically, unless they're in pretty good shape, and then we keep them. But if they're not, go ahead and remove them, and you may place the 2 pillows in your accessory kit that you received, and just the way that I showed you. You can put the throw over it as well to make it even nicer. And this can be used in many different ways. So if your home is not occupied, you may place these on a fireplace mantle, or you can even put them in a utility room by stacking one pillow over the other and then draping the throw above it, or even folding the throw and placing it on top. Here are just some of many ideas on how to use the Sell My Home kit. Okay, so that was version 1.0 of the Sell My Home kit. Keep in mind, we will be releasing other versions of this kit, so just make sure to look at the description as you purchase the items to know what will come in your own kit. And to order, go ahead and visit the link listed in the description or visit interiordesigns2go.com. Thanks so much for having me here, being a part of your sell of your home. And if you found this video useful, go ahead and click and subscribe and press like. All right, happy staging.